जम्मू आ गए, दिल्ली आ गए, अलग अलग जगह पे आ गए और अभी सरकार हमको कह रही है कि फिर से हम
मेरी बात समझ गए कि सबके साथ मर्डर हो जाता है।
Hello everyone, my name is Manasvi and welcome to the channel of Pahuja Law Academy. And today we will discuss Supreme Court Law Clerk exam, everything and anything we need to know. So firstly, we will start with the eligibility criteria. In eligibility criteria, we have the person needs to be a law graduate from a recognized university by BCI. After that, no experience is required. This is one of the benefits which we are getting, that we don't need to have any working experience. And thirdly, any law student in last year, a person who is doing his graduation a law from a recognized university is in his fifth year or in third year, which if they are doing it for 3-year LLB course, then the final year student can also appear for this. After that, we have part 1. The whole paper is going to be in 3 parts. The part 1 is MCQ based, second part is descriptive based, and third part is interview. So in the part 1, it will be the mode of the paper will be CBT, that means computer based test. After that, it will be of 100 questions and 100 marks. Duration will be 2.5 hours, that means 150 minutes, and the negative marking is minus 0.25, like it is in most of the exams. After that, we will discuss the part 2, the descriptive paper. In descriptive paper, firstly, it is the case analysis or the case brief which is generally given in the courts. Secondly is drafting a legal opinion and case synopsis. This is to be asked in the part 2 of the paper. And third one is short essay. In short essay, there will be 4-5 topics given and you have to choose one paper and then you have to write one of the topic from the given paper. It will be for 3.5 hours and 300 marks paper. Further, the third one will be of the interview based, where your whole personality test will be taken, and before that there will be a preference list given to you for the judges you would like to prefer and under whom you would like to do the clerkship. After that, we will discuss the syllabus now. In syllabus, we have constitution law, civil and criminal law, which is the new laws, legal aptitude and legal reasoning, comprehension and English language skills, current affairs. When we say current affairs, we are talking about legal current affairs. We need to be updated with all the legal happenings, acts, laws, and the case laws judgments which have been discussed in past 1 year. And after that, basic legal research knowledge. In this, we will include SEC and Manupatra, that the basic knowledge of how to use it, and if we are supposed to search something, are we able to do it or not. The online application are open. They are open till 7th of February and the date of exam is 7th of March 2026. So all those students who are interested in doing that should apply for it. The level of paper is not much tough. Those people specifically who are preparing for judiciary or any other competitive exam can apply for this because they will be able to attempt the paper. Thank you.
Subscribe for more content.